Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got through doing an oil change. I also changed the fuel filter, which is located underneath the underside right here. Let's take a listen to that idle. This idle sounds 100% different. And it's not as clackety up here. It just sounds like an idling 6.0. So you guys are about to go with me for the first time down the straight stretch, and this thing is either going to hesitate or it's going to run like a new truck. But the idling already sounds different. I've got 15W40 Lucas. I might be able to reach behind the seat and grab what it is that I put in here. Here we go. So that's what I put in here. I have a quart and a half left, as you can see. And the reason why is because I used the Stiction Eliminator, which was 16 ounces, so half a quart. 16 is 32 ounces is a full quart. But anyway, we're gonna go down this straight stretch over here, and this thing's either gonna hesitate or it's gonna run like it's supposed to. I don't know, but it's got a little bit of hesitation to it, but you know, it's not a miracle cure. You know, you got to run it through here for a bit in order for it to, you know, show that it's going to do anything. When I put that Marvel Mystery Oil in here, it took it like 25-30 miles in order for it to run right. So I mean, I haven't driven this truck today. I went to work, I came home, I changed the oil, I let it idle, and then I'm just now driving it. So here's the straight stretch, let's go. Yeah, I've got it floored. There we go. I mean, it's being a little sluggish, but I'm sure that Marvel Mystery Oil probably ran that stuff throughout the whole system, so it probably got into the whole system, including the IPR valve. If your IPR valve gets clogged up, then you'll also have a lot of hesitation and bucking and all that stuff. So but I'm sure I need to put some more fuel in here too, you know, I mean, if it ain't one thing, it's another. But I'm very confident that, you know, running a tank of clean diesel in here, I've got new fuel filters. Well, fuel filter, I changed the one underneath my feet. I didn't change the one under the hood yet. That cap broke, so I need to replace it. It's trying to wake up. need to keep letting that stuff work itself through the system, I guess. It's already trying to wake up much sooner. Usually it doesn't this, as soon as I start driving it like this. Like I said, guys, if this doesn't fix the problem, here's my little shenanigans I caused the other day. But yeah, if this doesn't fix the problem, then simply what I'll do is I'll just order. Oh, that you can do. Jeez. There we go. There we go. Let's get rowdy. There we go. On. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna give this, from today, I'm giving it 2 weeks. That's it. I'm giving it 2 weeks, and if it doesn't clear up and get a lot better than it is now, then I'm going to just go ahead and replace the injector, the number 3 injector. But I mean, you never know. This might clear it up. I've read a lot of stories online of Stiction Eliminator working flawlessly. I mean, Marvel Mystery Oil isn't even made for Stiction, and yet there are stories of Marvel Mystery Oil working for Stiction. So, I put something in here. I put something in here specifically designed for Stiction. And I will tell you guys this, when I changed that oil out, it was black and it was gritty. Now I did check the oil drain, screw, bolt, whatever, and it is magnetic. I had no metal shavings. So all the nasty grit had nothing to do with metal shavings, so that's good. I honestly feel like I am running out of fuel though. I mean, I could be wrong. Maybe it's just that varnish and stiction, whatever, working itself out of the system. I mean, I know when you get on it, it helps blow that crap out. Oh, there we go. Now we're waking up. Now we're waking up. right, guys, I'm gonna study this thing for a little bit. I'm gonna turn around, hit the straight stretch again, and then probably head back towards the house. My wife said my boy wanted to go with me, so I'd rather check and make sure that this is the stuff working itself out of the system than to get me and my son stranded back here on the back roads. But updates coming soon. Whoa. There we go. Jeez. See, like I said, I can't tell if I'm running out of fuel or if it's just that stuff working itself out of the system. Holy shit! Whoa! Okay, yeah, maybe it's working itself out of the system. That was insane. Alright. Okay. Alright, guys. Whoa. Maybe stick around for a bit longer. Hang on, guys. Holy moly. If you wanted to wake up, just wake up. You didn't have to scare the hell out of me. I think I'm gonna call this truck Rowdy. What do you guys think? Rowdy and Whistling Phoenix. That's an interesting duo. That storm we had yesterday or last night really knocked down a bunch of limbs, and when they smack the bottom of your truck, it sounds like metal hitting it. Alright, now I'm not going to do a moronic turnaround. I'm just going to turn around. I'm not trying to tear up this truck. Alright. Alright, what are we choosing to do? Are we going to go or not? We are running out of fuel. Yep. Darn it. Yep. Definitely running out of fuel. That's exactly what this is. At least I'm facing the right direction to hook my truck up and pull this thing back home. So there's always a plus in that. It's just a matter of being able to get signal to call my wife to come and get me. Oh boy. Alright, guys. I'll update you on it later, but that's why it's not wanting to really get down. It's because I was low on fuel. So that's good-ish to know, I guess. Oh yeah, no, you're not gonna break down right on that bridge. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Later, Gators.